Good morning and welcome to day 2 of my solo Disneyland adventure. So it's 8 o'clock and I'm all packed up on the Fairfield Inn, my suitcase is down there, and I'm heading to Disneyland Hotel. So I've got 2 nights there and I'm so freaking excited. I know it's got Magic Morning this morning at 9, so that's why I'm heading there quite early. This chalk walks on, so I think that's where the park's open later, which is good because I've been a little bit more extra sleep and I'm ready for day 2. So I'm all checked in, there's no room available, which I expected. So now I'm walking into Disneyland, downtown Disney first, and just on security, and I forgot to show you my bag. It's the Hype UK bag. Also, it's never this busy at 8:30 on a Sunday. There must be this chalk walk. Bonkers. This is bonkers, but the only good thing is everyone's walking the opposite way. There's still only hotel guests I'm going, so hopefully I can get in and get to my Saturday reservation for 10. Here is to buy tickets all the way back over there. So that is the queue to get into Disneyland over there. But this is my queue because I have a character breakfast and there's no one here. So this was a good idea. So anyone doing chalk walk or any event that happens before the park, I'd recommend doing a character breakfast so you can get in earlier and bypass those huge queues. Look how quiet this is. And this is why I love Disneyland, random characters just wandering around. Cruella de Vil.
The Magic Kingdom will open at 10 o'clock. And whether this is your first visit or your 100th, we hope you'll find the joy of being young at heart here with us.
Hi Minnie. Hey. So I've come to the Plaza Inn for some breakfast and to meet some characters. Smells good. So I've gone for hot chocolate, scrambled egg, bacon, hash brown sausages, and I'm definitely going to get a waffle in a bit. And then we've got eel and Captain Hook. Hello. Hello. Waiting to get my photo taken in front of the castle because mine yesterday didn't appear. Still pretty busy coming in. I'm heading to California Adventure. I've got to say, a good photographer, like a photo pass person, makes some breaks of the photo thing. And like yesterday, a really miserable person, and like you just had a normal shot, whereas this guy just had like literally different poses and things, which is worth it. So I'm in California Adventure, I'm still Oswald, and literally this is my 3rd trip. 3rd time trying to come to Oswald, and he's not here. I've still got tomorrow, so hopefully when he'll hear it. Got me out of my bag, he does later on. So I'm a wonder. Turns out we actually had a fast pass. Mission for Guardians of the Galaxy. That's what I'm going for. Just getting hat in here. Oh, it's so good to be back. And the Tower Tower is one of my favourite rides. And this is pretty epic as well. Guardians of the Galaxy was way better than I remember it being last time. It was just so much fun. It's like some good music in it. And got my Starbucks and now I'm going to head maybe get to Pier. I'm going to do it. It's one of my favourite sections of California Adventure. The bakery tour is actually really cool when you get a bit of bread. Then you can go to Disneyland, which is like the best chocolate ever. And you can get given a piece of chocolate as well, but I always just buy loads. Here we go. Wow. Look at that sign.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello. Because I'm now an annual passholder, I can actually go to a special section in Pixar Pier to get something. I don't know what, so let's go have a gander. The Incredible Coaster was amazing.
Ooh, what's the flavor?
So I got given a decal and you can get a photo, but I didn't get a photo. But look at this, the Pixar Pier wall, you get a photo.
Oh, those are very cool. Like, yeah, you love those. All right. You've got Edna's approval. That's good.
I'm recording.
Yay, another one ticked off my list. I met Edna. I think it's incredible there later. So now I'm going to go Midway later. Choice that many was good. I still got really bad school. I come back to Pixar at night and do a quick coaster and Got back to my favourite chocolate place and I got chocolate brownie sundae. I can't wait. I've been dreaming about this for like 2 weeks. Nom nom nom. Going for margarita. Yep, margarita is on my approved list of drinks. Actually really nice and refreshing. And you could have got a stronger thing, like a margarita with a shot or something. I'm like, no, this heat is dangerous. I mean, this is enough. Yeah. Winning. So actually an ant. Bug's Life. Bug's Life right now. Wait till you think something like this. This is actually shutting every year. This will be the last time I get to walk this part. Really wide for adults. Nice and chilled. I found some shade. It's hot. So we shall see when they come out. As per Lucy's standard, I've changed my mind and I'm going to go and check into my hotel. It's 3:15 and they said the room definitely over 4 or probably earlier. So I'm going to go have a gander. Maybe have a little nap or go for a swim. Depends how I feel. Here we go. The theming is just amazing. Oh, I need to buy some Disneyland Hotel merch. So I'm all checked in. I'm in the Frontier Tower on room 24 something. No, 2289, which I think is the second floor, but it's not. I think it's the fourth. So let's go have a look. 2289. Let's go in. Ooh, lovely. Oh, hello. Oh, look at the pillows. Oh, a dream is wish your heart mates. Look at the top of the bed. Oh my god. When you're fast asleep. Oh, that's really adorable. And I've just got a car park view, which is fine. Oh, that's lovely. So you've got a huge telly. You've got some ice water, like water and ice bucket. A coffee machine, but no tea mug thing. And then the bathroom. I find a light. Here's the bathroom. So toilet. Towels. Bath thing. And look. Handle has Mickey Mouse on it. And here, you've got a sink. Down. Yeah, you've got your sink and you've got your toiletries. So interesting to know these still haven't gone to the big bottles. Sink. Oh look, the Mickey's on there. And then you're covered and safe. Perfect. This will do very nicely. So I couldn't figure out how to turn the lights on. If you actually press these buttons, turn the lights on and it plays music. Look how cool that is. I want this in my bedroom.